If you're new to the world of RVs, these 10 mistakes can cost you thousands, and I've made more than a few of them myself. So before you hit the road, watch this so you don't learn the hard way. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos about RV projects, upgrades and honest product advice to make your RV life easier. So let's jump into the biggest mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them.
10.
So you're ready to hit the road for the first time, but not planning ahead can be disastrous. Not all roads are RV friendly, and not all campsites are easy to access. Plan ahead for appropriate fuel stops, low bridges, tight turns, site availability. It can all turn into a nightmare if you're not fully prepared. There are several applications you can use to provide RV-friendly route planning. The one I use is RV Life. These applications you enter the dimensions of your rig and will only be given routes accessible to your rig. Also, use Google Earth to view the general environment of any new campsite and get the lay of the land. Do not do this using the campsite website, as these usually show you the good and none of the bad.
9.
RVs aren't like houses. They're much more affected by weather, heat, cold, wind, it all matters. If you're not prepared for the weather, then things can get very uncomfortable very fast. Most modern RVs have both AC and heating units. However, understand which will run based upon your specific campsite facilities. Without power hookups, you will not be able to run the AC units unless you have a large battery setup. And the heating unit, although propane based, will seriously drain your battery, which comes into other considerations in this list. Also, make sure your campsite has access or is near propane refill facilities, especially in colder climates.
8.
Many people will bring way too much stuff on their first camping trip. The truth is, you don't need half of it. Extra weight, less space, more clutter. It just makes everything a lot harder. We have learned over the years to minimize our packing and what we take with us. A good consideration is know the campground location and facilities and find the closest hardware store, grocery store, etc. This way you can plan on only taking what you need immediately and then make a grocery trip once you are set up.
7.
Managing freshwater tank is another area beginners struggle with when not on a city water hookup. Running out of fresh water or overfilling your tanks or dealing with leaks can ruin a trip. Get familiar with your water system. It's more important than you may think. We ran out of water on our first camping trip. We had to run out and buy some 5-gallon collapsible water jugs. And running between your RV and the water standpipe can take a long time if you're using a 5-gallon jug and your RV has 40 plus gallons of fresh water tank. Depending upon your campground facilities, you may have to hitch up, find a drinkable water supply, fill your tank and then re-establish your campsite, which is not fun.
6.
Small problems turn into expensive repairs if you ignore them. Things like loose bolts, roof leaks, worn tires or cracked seals can quickly cause major damage over time. A little maintenance goes a long way. I always make a point of visually checking these things regularly. This includes ensuring my axle U-bolts are torqued correctly. If you are not handy, find someone who knows how to use a torque wrench.
5.
Running out of battery power is one of the most common beginner problems. If you do not understand how your RV battery works, what drains it and how to recharge it, you'll be stuck without power fast. My recommendation here is to learn your battery system early. It makes a huge difference. When camping, I always try to get a site with at minimum electric hookup. You will be surprised how many devices in your RV will not run on a battery, and also the devices that can drain the battery very quickly.
4.
Hookups. You have water, electric, sewer. This stuff can feel very confusing at first. Many beginners show up to a campsite and have no idea what to do. I would suggest when you get home with your first RV, figure out leveling, connecting your power, sewer and water. Also, if you're buying from a dealer, record the walk around, take it slow and specifically with the hitch and unhitch process.
3.
Weight limits. This one is huge and a lot of beginners overlook it. Just be aware that every RV has a weight limit and exceeding it can be dangerous, not forgetting that it can actually damage your rig. More stuff isn't necessarily better. Stick to the essentials and know your limits. Also, when loading your RV, try and distribute the loads evenly.
2.
Keep in mind that getting your dream RV is just the start of the expense. Additional costs are equipment, fuel, maintenance, campground fees, repairs, inspection and registration, and they all add up very quickly. Believe me that you're going to be shocked at how quickly the extras add up. When we purchased our first RV, we literally had nothing. You will need freshwater hose, black water hose, waste pipes, chemicals, chocks. The list is long and you can end up spending a significant amount of money on the equipment basics.
1.
And finally, the most expensive mistake when starting out is buying the wrong RV. A lot of people get excited and rush into buying an RV without thinking about how they will actually use it. Too big and it's hard to drive and park, too small and you feel cramped fast. Take your time, think about your lifestyle and don't rush into this decision. We made this mistake with our first RV and purchased an RV that was too small for our long-term needs. The golden rule here, like buying any item, is do not let the salesman talk you into anything. If you avoid these 10 mistakes, you're already way ahead of most beginners and in some cases experienced RVers. If you like this video or it helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe. I've got more RV tips expanding on some of these items in more detail, upgrade options and product reviews coming your way. Also, feel free to comment. I would love to hear mistakes you have made or want to avoid. See you in the next one.